Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y200e 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up and power key together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it, and now release. And you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see Vivo 5G recovery, install software, clear data, clear system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart. To simply go to clear data, and you can see clear cache, clear all data. Now tap on clear all data, and guys, you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Here you can see proceed with caution. Now tap on OK. So here you can see clearing data. Do not use the device. Kindly wait. And you can see cleared. All data cleared. Now tap on return. After it, go back, and here you can see restart. Tap on restart your device, tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y200e 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.